This is just a little update video on the fake NGK plugs. This was the other one that was in there. As you can see, this ceramic broke off and fell into my engine and caused a lot of misfires and caused some nicks in the piston. Luckily, the cylinder walls were okay. Turbine, I didn't really look at it, but I'm thinking it went through fine because I don't really have any boost problems or nothing yet anyways. But yeah, this is what can happen if you buy off Amazon or eBay, and the problem is they list them at OEM prices, so you never know if you're gonna get a fake one or not. But I'm gonna put some photos of the bore scope pictures I took of after when this happened, which was a quarter-mile run after 90 miles an hour. Started misfiring pretty bad. Unfortunately, I kept on the gas. Ran all 11.7. Not that it really matters, but on that run. But yeah.